It is absolutely no surprise that potatoes are possibly my favourite ingredient on this earth, and followed by my favourite recipe, which are crispy potatoes. And I'm going to show you how to make some not like you know it though. And I'm here cooking in the glorious Moona Mary here in Fremantle, and I'll show you how to do it just now. We're going to start with some potatoes, and these are just the baby sort. I've chopped them in half and I have par-cooked them in the microwave. So they were in there for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it will vary between your microwaves at home. So just until they are almost cooked is when they're ready to go. And I'm going to throw them in to a bigger bowl. Make sure they're pat dry as well. We're going to go in with quite a lot of olive oil, and we're going to just hit it with quite a bit of salt too. Toss them around, make sure they're coated on all sides, and then we're going to whack them out on a baking tray. And we're going to get them into a cranking hot oven, 200 degrees, and be back in just a moment to show you the rest. All right, potatoes are done. They have spent about 20 minutes in an air force oven at very, very hot, almost 210 degrees. And now we're on to the next step, which is making our seasoning. And a few things are gonna go into this. First, I'm gonna start off with some smoked paprika. So we're gonna just pop about 2 tablespoons or so into a small bowl, followed by some salt, a little pinch there. Now, a generous pinch of sugar, believe it or not, will go into this. And we'll give that a little swirl around, just make sure it's fully incorporated before we chuck it into our bigger bowl. And now we'll get those potatoes in. The colour is gorgeous. They're super crisp. We'll just give them a nice toss in that seasoning. Make sure they're well coated. They're just about ready, but we're gonna go in with possibly my favourite, and that is cheese. I'm gonna go in quite hard here. So I've got some Parmigiano Reggiano here. You can use pecorino. You can even use kind of any hard cheese. I'm not putting measurements to this. You grate to your heart's content. Give it another little toss. Some of that cheese will melt nicely across those potatoes. One last toss. Into the bowl she goes. Oh, looks so good. All right, secret ingredient, chili oil. I'm gonna go in quite generously here. I do like it hot. Over she goes. And then just to add a little bit of freshness to the dish, a sprinkle of chopped chives. And because I'm feeling a little bit naughty, we're just gonna go ahead and grate a little more cheese. And there you have it. My crispy potatoes with cheese, chives, and chili oil.